among rows of legends, one stands apart. An icon reborn. A modern tribute to Ford's greatest racing triumph. Sleek, purposeful, every line designed with speed and heritage in mind. This is a 2006 Ford GT, one of just 541 built in tungsten gray, but none remain in such untouched original condition. Equipped with all 4 factory options, ABS forged wheels, red Brembo brakes, silver racing stripes, and a McIntosh premium audio system, this one-owner GT has been preserved in flawless condition. Complete with original documentation, accessories, and history, it is nothing short of an investment-grade collectible. Born from the spirit of the original GT40 that conquered Le Mans, the 2006 Ford GT carries forward that legacy with a supercharged 5.4-liter V8. Delivering 550 horsepower and a top speed of 205 miles per hour. A modern icon, timeless in every way.